You ever notice how weirdly special left-handed people seem? They're always that one person in the class who holds the pencil differently, smudges all the ink, and somehow still ends up drawing better than everyone else. Only about 1 out of 10 people in the world is left-handed. That's right, 90% of us use our right hand, and the rest are part of this 10% club. But why? Why are some people just born left-handed? And no, it's not just because they felt like it. It's way deeper than that. You might think people choose their dominant hand, but nope. The decision's made before you even take your first breath. Ultrasound videos show that babies in the womb already have a favorite thumb to suck, and that tiny choice usually sticks for life. But what's even crazier, scientists still don't fully agree why it happens. Some say it's genetic, others think it's how your brain develops, and some say it's even influenced by your environment before birth. Basically, your future hand dominance is decided in a way that's still half science, half mystery. Being left-handed today isn't a big deal, but 100 years ago, total nightmare. Teachers literally forced left-handed kids to write with their right hand. In some cultures, using your left hand was seen as rude or even evil. Fun fact, in Latin, the word sinister meant left, and now it means evil. Coincidence? Not really. But then again, some of the world's greatest minds were left-handed. Leonardo da Vinci, Barack Obama, Angelina Jolie, Bill Gates, Lionel Messi, and many more. Seems like the lefties have something special going on, right? But what exactly? Let's peek inside the brain for a second. It's split into two halves, left and right. And here's the weird part. Each side controls the opposite side of your body. Your right hand is run by the left hemisphere, and your left hand is run by the right hemisphere. Now, in most people, the left side of the brain is dominant. That's the side that handles logic, speech, planning. Basically the serious stuff. So most people end up right-handed. But in some people, that balance shifts. The right hemisphere starts to take the lead, and that's the side tied to creativity, imagination, music, and spatial awareness. But wait, if creativity is in the right hemisphere and lefties use that side more, does that mean left-handed people are naturally more creative? Well, kinda, but not in the way you think. Here's the real secret. Left-handed people don't just use the right side of the brain more. They tend to have stronger connections between both sides. Their brain is more symmetrical, and messages travel faster between hemispheres. That might be why lefties are sometimes better at multitasking, problem-solving, and coming up with creative or unexpected solutions. It's not about which hand they use. It's about how their brain is wired. Their world literally works a little differently. So, why are some people left-handed? There isn't one single reason. It's a mix of genetics, brain symmetry, and evolution. Your genes set the base. Your developing brain decides which hemisphere takes control, and evolution made sure not everyone's brain worked the same way. Because if everyone thought the same, we'd never invent, never adapt, never survive. That small 10% of left-handed people, they were nature's experiment, a way to keep humanity creative, unpredictable, and balanced. Different wiring, same purpose. So next time you see a lefty struggling with scissors or smudging their notebook, remember, that person's brain is literally built differently. Not worse, not better, just unique. They're one of nature's rare versions, the ones who think from the other side. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment telling me which video you want to see next, and good night.